In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your GPU run at 100% performance. Now, the first thing we need to do is head on down to the search bar and type in settings. Next, on the left, you want to click system. Then at the top, click display. And then halfway down, click graphics. In this window, there are two things that we need to do. The first one is change default graphics settings at the top. If we click that, then we have two options here of hardware accelerated GPU scheduling and optimizations for windowed games. You want both of those turned on. Next, if you are gaming, which presumably you are if you're searching for this, you want to find your game on this list. And if it's not on this list, you can add it by browsing this button up here. And then what you need to do is you add the game that you want to play, click it, then press options and ensure that high performance is selected and then click save. Once you've done that, on the left again, we want to go down to the gaming tab. And from here, you want to click game mode. And you simply just want to turn this on. I actually have it off because certain games, for some reason, perform worse with game mode on, but you'll be easily able to test just by looking at your frames on whether it increases or decreases with this being turned on or off. Once you've done that, head on down to the search bar again and type in control panel. Once here, click on the power options button. And what you want to do here is find the option that says high performance and go ahead and select that one. And we can close out of that. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, then go ahead and search for that in the search box again and open that up. In the top left, click adjust image settings with preview. And then what you want to do is click this bottom option and there'll be a slider here. You want to put the slider all the way to the left onto performance and then go back to use the advanced 3D image settings and then click apply. Once you've done all of these steps, your GPU should now be able to work at full capacity without being hindered by any power plans or any other Windows settings. Thanks very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.